Yo, what's good, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy LB, Lace Blueprint, man. Coming back at y'all again with yet another video, bro. If you are new to the channel, man, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay tuned with a new video every single week. But today, we have a new shoe. We got the pack touchdown, man. Today, the pack touchdown. We have a new unboxing, man. Can't wait to see these in hand. So let's get right into the unboxing, shall we? I'm gonna switch over to the table view, man. I'm gonna let y'all see this unboxing. So let's get right into it. Let's get it. All right, as you can see, we have the red and white Nike box. If you know the box, you already know what this could possibly be. So let's get right into the box, man. We have the Nike Air box, right? We have the Nike check all around the box, all around the back, to the side, and going to the sizing label. It says, sizing label reads Nike Dunk Low Retro, black, white, 11.5, personal pair, man. Got these for the retail sticker is not on it, surprisingly. Came straight from Nike. Anyway, retail was like $109 for these. Peel back the box, put back the lid, that paper, black and white design. Ooh, boy. Ooh, baby. These motherfuckers here. So basic, but yet so clean, man. Look at this shoe. Quick little 360 spin. Uh-oh, got a little schmutz on this fucking thing. As you see, I just unboxed these. I don't even know why that's like that. But all right, you're going to skip through that. Anyway, that ain't nothing but a little clean. Can't get it out of there. But all right, so you already know how we do, man. We're going to go ahead and get into this review. We're going to start from the bottom of the shoe. The bottom of the shoe is pitch black with the Nike logo on the bottom. Going to that white, clean white midsole, with the hits of the black and white panels, man. So you have the black Nike check, the black panel. You got that white stitching too. Look at that stitching. Stitches looking very, very clean. You have the Nike Air, or just the Nike logo. Nike embroidered on the back tab. Clean stitching. Just overall, a nice, clean shoe. Take the toe box, the press test. Pretty nice. The leather feels pretty smooth, actually, man. I see why people like these. Stitching on the toe box. Just white Nike check logo going into the sock liner and the insole. White insole, black Nike check. Size 11.5, personal pair. Take that shoe tree out. So you also have, look at that. Okay, so it looks like the restocks are coming with the sizing tag upside down. Look at that, 11.5 Nike, just straight out the box. 11.5, boom, 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 QR code, all that. Also gonna go ahead and take out this insole just to see what this glue is looking like. Taking out the insole, that's the glue pattern for the insole here. Also, you see that dot. Check that stitching inside of that heel. It's looking pretty damn good. Go ahead and stick that bad boy back in there. But yeah, nice insole. We go ahead and give y'all another 360 of this shoe. Just a clean overall black and white dunk, man. Nothing too shabby about these, nothing too crazy. Keep it simple and clean. So now I'm gonna jump in front of the camera and end off this review. All right, man. These Nike Panda Dunk Lows are definitely a must cop, man. You guys got to get this inside your collection. I'm happy that Nike was able to give me the alley-oop on these. Actually, man, I was able to hit not one, but two. If you don't believe me, 2 pairs of Nike Dunk Low Pandas, bro. 2 pair of Pandas. I hit us on the same account too. Same account, I was able to hit on 2 pairs. This is a size 8 in women's, man. This is a size 11.5 personal pair. definitely happy to catch up on these and capitalize on these, bro. These are definitely a must cop. So if you guys are able to hit, and also maybe able to hit multiple pairs, comment down below if you're able to. I want to see who all got the dub that day. But that is it for this video, man. I thank y'all for watching. If you want to see more from me, please comment, hit the like button, subscribe, man. Make sure that notification bell is activated too for more videos. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.